Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am teaching you Bumblebee nail art design step by step guide. Bees are not usually something you would want anywhere near you. But in this case, they are just too cute. Step number 1, start by painting your nails with a yellow nail polish. First of all, start painting your ring finger with the yellow nail polish. Step number 2 is paint the tips of the rest of your nails with the nail polish as if you were giving yourself a French manicure. Style number 3, using a thin nail art brush and black nail polish. Create a black line along the French tips. Step number 4, using a nail art brush and black nail polish. Create thick horizontal stripes on the ring finger, leaving a bit of space at the top of the bee's eyes. Step number 5, using a dotting tool and a white nail polish, place dots on either side of the nail to create the wings of the bee. Step number 6, using the same tool and a black nail polish, place 2 tiny dots above the stripes for the eyes of bee. Step number 7, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, your beautiful bee nail art design is ready. If you like my efforts, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care.